What is an even trade bill of sale? It is a document that acknowledges the transaction between a seller and a buyer and lets them trade the seller's property in for the buyer's property with or without an additional payment. It is commonly used to sell vehicles such as cars, mopeds, dirt bikes, motorcycles, and more. The details of both items, as well as the payment method, should be mentioned in the document. Missouri Form 1957 is an example of such a bill of sale. Why use an even trade bill of sale? Such a document allows parties to trade one vehicle for another and have all the joy of buying a used vehicle without any financial stress. At the same time, a bill of sale is a legally binding document that states that vehicles are exchanged in as-is condition unless the parties provide each other with certain warranties. Regardless of whether cash is changing hands or not, the buyer and seller get a document with all necessary information about such a trade written up and signed by both of them. This serves as proof that the transfer took place. What is more, a bill of sale will be needed by both parties to get a title to the exchanged vehicle at their local Department of Motor Vehicles. This is an essential step to completing the vehicle trade. What should be included in such a document? The date of the transaction, information about the buyer and seller, their names, addresses, phone numbers, and emails. Detailed description of the seller's and the buyer's property. For vehicles, it's usually make, model, year, VIN, and odometer reading. Any trade in provision, warranty information or the provision about selling as is, and the signatures of both buyer and seller. You might also notarize the form as an extra protection measure. Notarization can also be requested on a case-by-case basis by the Department of Revenue. Our online form builder can make it easy to get a custom-made bill of sale according to your state's laws.